Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix RunDLL. There was a problem starting error pop-up message at startup in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to select edit and find, select it. And now you just need to go back to the error message you get. You need to type words from your error message guys. After this program files hp photos what hp photo smart hp photo smart. After typing the word, you just need to select find next option. And now you need to make sure that the words are same in error message right over here. Just check it. Program files hp photo smart 5510 series bin and hp static bl.dll. After confirming that, you just need to right click on the file and select it, delete it, select as. And after deleting this file, just to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.